Watch this video completely to know whether it really cost you 32 lakh rupees for Toyota Innova, that too only for fuel and servicing. Like this video, share to your buddies who have Innova cars and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Innova is a Japan-based Toyota company car which can seat 7 people max and costs around 20 lakhs with registration for regular car and around 25 lakhs for premium car. Everyone knows Innova is very reliable, but do you know they can go more than 9 lakh kilometers? Well, there are few that top 10 lakh kilometers. From my research, Toyota Innova costs around 6 rupees and 36 paise for every kilometer driven. So, it would cost more than 3 lakh rupees for 50,000 kilometers and about 600 lakhs for 1 lakh kilometers. But the money that they would have spent for fuel and servicing alone for 5 lakh kilometers will be more than 32 lakh rupees with no repairs. So if an Innova tops 10 lakh kilometers, it would have costed around 82 to 90 lakhs along with the vehicle. It is not included with insurance, which can cost a fortune for that car. Well, guess what? It would cross a 32 lakhs limit easily if it had any problems before 5 lakh kilometers. That's all for today. Like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel for future updates. It would be a pleasure if you comment. Thank you, have a nice day. Keep smiling, see you in the next video.